You can go live on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, but can you do it on TikTok? I mean, you probably think you can because you're watching this video, but you don't see the option, so you want to get that option on your TikTok account. There is a way to get this option if you don't have it yet, and you will learn exactly that in this no BS tutorial on how to go live on TikTok in 2020 without 1,000 followers. All I want from you is to grab two things. First, a cup of coffee because you're awesome, and second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can get your copy of in the description down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Requirements to go live on TikTok. First, you need to be 16 years old or older. Second, you need to have 1,000 followers or more. Normally, there's a way to do it without 1,000, I'll show you how now. Another option that you can go live with if you don't have 1,000 followers is actually to be registered on Musical.ly. In some countries you can get the live option even without 1,000 followers. So normally to go live, what you gotta do is you just click the plus option. You obviously gotta allow everything, and then you should have a live option here, somewhere here. But since we are below 1,000 followers, we don't have it right now. So the way to do it in this situation is basically you click the three dots right here, go down below, click on support, report a problem, and then click on select the topic, and from there live payment rewards. Then you have the hosting live, viewing live, payment and rewards. Hosting live, this is the issue, we don't have the button. So from here you click on I can't start a live, then click no, I still have the problem, and then say I'm above 16 and I can't go live for my audience. I'm even watching a YouTube video right now to get it fixed. That's how despacito I am. And then you click report a problem, maybe add some images, and then you have a support ticket and you wait for someone to get back to you. Maybe during the pandemic the response time will be a little bit slower, but this actually fixed the problem for a lot of people. If you stayed all the way until the end, I can shout you out in one of the next episodes. All I want from you is to actually comment your TikTok or Instagram username down below, and I'll shout you out in one of the next episodes. Here is the shout out winner on this video. Remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is not financial or medical advice, and by the end of this video make sure you watch one of these videos out. This one or this one or this. Let's go with this one.